Hey guys, Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2022 Forest River GEO Pro 19 FBS. Single slide out, bathroom in the back, solar package. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. And I'll also show you a clip of the underbelly. So make sure you watch to the end of the video. Also check down in the description. I'll have the weights, measurements, holding tank sizes. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, standing at the entry door in the back, looking forward. See your bed, sofa, good storage, TV in your kitchen. Then your refrigerator, microwave, and your bathroom in the back. We'll start here, the 12-volt refrigerator, freezer. In your refrigerator, you've got your TST, your truck monitoring system. So this is a nice safety device Rockwood gives you for monitoring the pressure and temperature of your tires. So a nice safety feature there that is included in the price of the camper. And you've also got your freezer, no styrofoam there, but larger than your standard gas electric refrigerator. Convection microwave oven. As soon as you walk in your convenience area, you can put your slide in, your awning, check your holding tanks. You do have tank heaters on here, so electric heat pads on the tank is nice. You've got receptacle, your heat duct. Nice large stainless sink. There is a cover for that. Your sink cover can roll up out of the way. You can use half of it as a strainer. You've got a lot of different options here, but it gives you that countertop space you can utilize by having it on there. Underneath, you've got drawers. Nice, deep, well-made drawers. Underneath, you've got storage under the oven. Nice large oven, 3-burner range, acts as a splash guard there for the flush mount cover. Exhaust for your range here. Overhead storage. One nice feature when you come in, I'm 6'5". I've got another inch or so to the ceiling here because of the nice pitched roof. And you're not really hurting when you get to the end. I'm touching on the side, but I'm still comfortable. Your TV area, you've got your IRV technologies. You can get the app and sync your phone to that. You got USB and HDMI hookups. Your speakers. TV has got the built-in DVD player. It is on a swivel arm, so you can see it all over. It is 12 volt. You've got a USB hookup. Your Wi-Fi Ranger is your booster, basically, at the campground to give you a better signal. Little storage area here for hanging. East to west bed. You do have storage underneath that. Heat ducts, electrical receptacles. You've got a fire escape window that does open. Nice roller shades, a shade for that front windshield, and shade for the side window. 2 of the 3 do open, so you get good cross breeze. A little netting up top for storage. Cup holders on either side of the sofa, and you've got the cup holders that drop down in the middle. For sleeping, the jackknife sofa does drop down, and then your table stores behind. We'll take a look at that. There's that portable table in front of the sofa, so you can see you got plenty of room to get through if somebody's eating, and it's easily stored behind the sofa, or you can set it on the bed or take it outside. You've also got receptacles Your solar controller tells you the output of that solar panel on the roof. Thermostat. Your bathroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You got good room around that. Corner shower. You've got the magnet, and that really helps keep that shower curtain from flipping out and reducing spills. Overhead skylight. Max air fan. I'm 6'5". I am hitting the ceiling in that one. So you're going to need to be about 6'3" or shorter to comfortably be in this shower. Sink, receptacles, little storage area. So decent size rear bathroom. Your brand new 2022 Forest River GEO Pro by Rockwood, the 19FBS. We'll work our way outside. We'll take a look out there. Real quick, guys, before we head outside, remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, moving to the outside. You see the nice cap on the front with the automotive windshield. Two 20-pound LP bottles under cover. Power tongue jack. Spot to hold your chains and your 7-pin. You got a spot for 2 batteries on the front. It will come with 1. GEO Pro's got a dry weight of 3,334 pounds. Frameless windows. Nice pass-through storage, nice and clean. Your docking light control controls the lights here. You've got your water hookup, winterization, cable, backside of your hot water heater. Moving down the side, you see we're looking at a 30-amp service. You got a hot and cold outside shower and a black tank flush. Pull valves for your sewer. Manual jacks. Take a look down in the description. I'll have a link to those. Backside, you got a factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you got your air conditioner, TV antenna, your solar panel, max air fan with the cover in the back. Top of that slide out. You are prepped for a backup camera. Large assist handle, full length power awning with LED lights. You've got keyless entry, friction hinge door stays where you leave it. You got a nice screenshot on the screen door so it closes for you. You are looking at the stairs inside, adjustable legs, all the way to the ground, nice and sturdy. You've got the prep table that comes off, and it comes with the outside griddle. Electrical outlets outside. Outside speakers. You've got the exhaust for your range. Other side of that pass-through storage. In the box is that griddle that goes on the side there. You are prepped for the portable solar panel. That's going to give a trickle charge to the batteries. You've already got the built-in solar panel, so it's just the extra solar panel you can add and move around. Your brand new 2022 Forest River GEO Pro by Rockwood, 19 FBS. Thanks for watching. Slide in, you can see you got full access to walk front to back. You can still get in the bed. No restrictions for the bathroom or the refrigerator. All right, underneath. underneath, you see your tank is exposed. You've got your sewer hose holder here, spare tire, quick connect for your LP, black tanks in the back, your black and gray, your axle, so full access for your underbelly.